have a nice trip there. See you next fall. Say goodbye to trip hazards and hello to safety with this weekend's new Toulouse 2. Easy Access Transitions Angled Entry Mat provides a smooth transition through doorways with raised thresholds, helping to eliminate trip hazards caused by raised landings and floor offsets. This durable mat is made from recycled rubber, ensuring it stands up to heavy traffic without buckling under heavy loads. It's naturally slip-resistant and ideal for indoor or outdoor use, offering superior traction wherever it's placed. Available in black or gray with or without the recessed welcome greeting printed on it, in case I guess you don't want to confuse any unwanted house guests.
Nope.
And the mat comes in a 1.5 inch and 2.5 inch heights. Easy Access Transitions Angled Entry Mat can be trimmed or notched for the perfect fit. Anchoring hardware is included, and they start at $116.
For more information, check out the House Smarts YouTube channel.
And be sure to like and subscribe.